Hello, learn how to create and schedule newsletters in GetResponse with this step-by-step tutorial. In this live demo, I'll show you exactly how to use GetResponse email marketing to design professional newsletters, schedule campaigns, and boost engagement. If you're new to GetResponse or looking for an easy way to set up automated email campaigns, this video is definitely for you. Yeah, Nick here, and today I wanted to share something which I hope will be helpful, and it's something that I've been using recently as part of my journey with the Megalink, Magic Link, and all the other OLSP incredible. What's the word I'm looking for? Incredible processes, and things that help us actually generate leads and commissions. Now, here's the thing: we have been told from day one that the money is in the list, so you need to build a list. How do you build a list? If you're going to build a list, you're going to need an autoresponder. Okay, so in this case, because I'm doing it with the OLSP Magic Link, I am going to be using GetResponse. It's a super simple system, and anyone can do it. So first of all, let me pop in the stream my GetResponse. Here we go, my GetResponse thing. So let's click on the dashboard. Right, as you can see, okay, I'm on a free trial. It goes for 24 days. I can still try all the premium features like courses, AI-powered emails, automation workflows, and 24/7 live support. That's great. But actually, all I want it for right now is to create a newsletter. I can do the pop-up forms, landing pages, that's all good. But these are for my leads, okay? So I ran some solar ads the other day, picked up 40 plus leads, and that's equated to 36 actual bona fide email addresses of people who are really excited and want to buy digital products. They're looking for that next shiny object to help them on their digital income journey. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So here we are in GetResponse, as you can see. As I'd say, I've got the 24 days. You can manage team emails and domains. This is where you go in and check the forms. So my email is authenticated with DKIM and DMARC. That's all good. Everything is okay. DKIM authentication, that means everything is good. So nick@nickwoodonline.com. That's the URL and the email I'm going to be sending my newsletters from. And what we've done here is just gone through and set it up. It's super simple. Change name, and yeah, just basically follow the instructions as you go. But that's what you need. You can't do this with a Gmail or a Hotmail email. You need to have a professional email, one that is tied to its own domain. Okay, so that's very important. Right. So let's go back to our dashboard again. And look, here we go. So create newsletter. So you've got an email generator or by myself. I'm going to be using it by myself. And as you see, you've got untitled message. It's already filled out with the email address and reply. So it's the same email. So we're going to have a subject line. We're going to select the recipients. We're going to design and put the content. And then we're going to schedule it for later. Okay. Now, I'll be honest. We've got some pre-done emails, so that'll be quite good. So I'm just going to find the ones that I want, and I think I'm on email 14 that we're going to go on. Yeah, so here we go then. So it's going to be email 14, and I like to just title them. Okay, this isn't going to be shown to anybody. Okay, so this is just for my purposes. Email 14, and it will be going out on the 29th of August, just so I know. Subject line is going to be the simple math. Okay, here we go. The simple math needed to quit your job. Let's pop that in there. Okay, so that's going to be the subject line. So when people see the email in their inbox, that's what they're going to see. Okay, so that's all good. And once you've added it, it goes for a little tick, as you can see. Recipients. Okay, now I've actually got one email list here. You can go all lists, but I've actually only got one. And there you go, I've got 35 emails that this is going to be sent to. Add that. Super simple. Now design the message. Just click on this button here. You can either click this button here, or you can click this one, or you can upload one of your own, but I like to design the message. Now here, you're going to have lots of, look, you've got pre-designed templates. So you can go through, and there's so many different templates you can use, but actually we're going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to use a blank template, and we're going to go use template here, one column. So you've got one column, 3 columns, 2 columns, blank template. We just want a simple one column template. Now it's going to open up here. Now, this doesn't look too tricky, but pretty much it's a drag and drop. Okay, so let's just checking I was on the screen. So we go in here, we grab the text button, and we drop it in the middle. So now we can add our text here. And as I said, I've got email copies already done, so I'm just going to quickly copy and paste. This is it. You know, if you can copy and paste, you can do this. And I've made commissions already, so this is good stuff. So we're going to bring that, and we're going to just paste it into there. There you go. So I pasted it. Right, now, a lot of my contacts don't have the first name, so I'll take that bit out. And then it's just, hey, did you know? So this is it. This is the email that's going to go out. Okay. And read through it. And what you want to see is there's an arrow there. Check out this method. This is where I'm going to put my affiliate link, okay, my magic link. So it's got to add here. So look, I'm going to highlight that. And up here, I can see a little link button. I click on insert link. It's got, what is it? It's a web address. Yep. And it's this one here. This is my TD pages. That is my link. Put it in there. Goes blue, and now that becomes a clickable link. So this email, someone can read through it, and they can click on that link, and that will take them to the offer page. And you got one here as well. So I'm going to add that one on. Oops. There we go. We get the right one. Do make sure, guys, do just double check. Make sure your links are right. And then we just type in my name. I think I could spell Nick by now. So that is it. That is just a simple email. That doesn't have to be fancy. This is the thing. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. You do not have to be super fancy. These are going to people that absolutely want to buy from us. They're looking for a shiny object. Now you've got a logo button up here. We haven't got a logo on this email. So click over here, show logo, take that off. And there you go. Okay, so we can test and preview. I can show you test and preview. Let's sort of preview. So basically that's what the email is going to look like. So from Nick Wood Online, here's the subject line. These are the clickable links. And as you can see, if I hover over them, you can see in the bottom left-hand corner the URL that it's going to take them to. That's good. Here at the bottom, you've got my address. We've got unsubscribe, of course, and powered by GetResponse. That's all good. So exit the preview, and we just go next. Okay, here we go. So we've got the recipient. So here we go. There's the email there. So you'll spam check. You're good to go. So we haven't found any issues that could land your message in a spam folder. Perfect. Okay, we don't want our message going to spam. So we're tracking on clicks. Okay, so track the click-through rate on this message to see which contacts clicked your links, so we can see exactly who's clicking them. These are all locked. These are, that's a bit more complicated. We don't need that. We're going to send it immediately, or we can schedule for later. I want to schedule it for later, and I want to schedule it for Friday the 29th, and I'm going to send it at 8 a.m. Click it down to 0. There we go. 8 a.m. Click schedule. And that's it done. Now it says, do you want to send another email? See message opens live. See where I can get messaging. See where I can see. Where can I see my messages are doing? Go to manage newsletters. Let's go to manage newsletters for a minute. Okay, so there you can see there's the one. It's scheduled there for the email 14, 29th, scheduled 8 a.m. And as you can see, these are ones that I've been going to, and we're doing 2 a day, okay, 12 hours apart. And as you can see, so you've got open rates. So the open rates are 8%, 11%, 11, 14. And then people are clicking on, so that's one person's clicked those links, that's 2 people who clicked that link. so we can see what we're doing. These are only 35. So as we're growing, we're going to be, as our email list is growing, more and more people will be getting these emails. Okay, so let's just go through that one more time. You can create a newsletter from here in the top right hand corner. We do it by myself, and this will be email 50, and it will be the 29th again, 29th August. So I know which one it is. The subject line we already have. Want a simple, oh, that's a good one. So type that in there. Want a simple, lucrative business model. Perfect. Tab across. Fine. Add recipients. All lists. Add. That's all good. Design and content. Click on design. Come up. Blank templates. One column. And we drag the text. We don't need to do anything else. Just drag the text in there. And I've got the text that I've copied. I've saved. Here we go. Now, here's the thing. I've got 48 emails already written. That's okay, because you can change them around. We can change the titles, and that will have an effect on the open rates. We can split test them, or just test different ones. And we can just pop them into ChatGPT, and it will then spew out a whole load more along the same lines. This one's a longer one, so some there's longer ones, some there's shorter. So here we go. So did you know 99% will miss this critical 411? So here we go. That's all the stuff. Now, as you can see, going through, okay, where do you want us to put the link in here? We've got one element here. Here's the one I highly recommend. Let's click that link, insert it there. It's also going to put it down at the bottom as well, because there's a little arrow telling us exactly where to put our link. And we put our name there. Perfect. So that's that one done. We want to take the logo away, so say stop showing the logo, and that's it. That's good to go. See the bottom there, we've got the address, unsubscribe, always got that there. Go next, and we can see that's then got a tick. Spam check, you're good to go. Perfect. Schedule for later. So this one we're going to schedule for Friday at 8 p.m. There we go. That's simple, and schedule. Perfect. And then if we can go to manage newsletters, there you see 8 p.m., 8 a.m. These are the two we've just done. So they're ready to go. So obviously I've done one today already. Okay, so that's gone out. That went out at 8 a.m. this morning. Got another one scheduled for 8 p.m. Super, super simple, guys. Super simple. And this is all, be able to do this all by using, this is using the magic link. Okay, so that's a $7 magic link, which sends people to multiple different offers. So I'm using something called TD Pages, which is inside of the OLSP system. And that's where the landing pages are. Super simple to set up, really easy. And then I'm using something called the traffic rotator, which sends links or sends clicks to my to that offer pages, and then people sign into those. Then I get them on my email list. So what this is doing, this is growing my email list. So it's dropping 2 or 3 or 4 solo ad clicks basically a day. Then I'm going to gradually be growing my list over time. The more people that I have in my list, the more people that will see the emails, that will see the links, that then go back to the magic link, which shows the different offers in, I think it's Warrior Plus. So yeah, so these are the things where people want them. So it's a really cool way to build your list, generate commissions. And if you've never made a commission in your life before online, this is absolutely the way I suggest you do it. Okay, you go into list builders. It's super, super simple. We need you need to go into OLSP. Okay, that's a $7 mega link that opens up all these different income earning opportunities for you. And so you can just go in there, $7, easy peasy, and then you can start to learn. So you can learn the organic method. So we've got the included in that $7, you get the Facebook 101 training. So that is how you actually get your, that is how you actually get your organic Facebook. So you use Facebook to pull in people, talk to them in the DMs, and then happy days. You can speak to people. If you can help them, you can help them. If they're looking for what you're offering, they can offer it, and that's it. You don't have to sell. It's all just fine. And then you can, if you want to then build your list more aggressively, shall we say, just go into the list building, go into the magic link. In fact, I think I can probably show you it on my screen. Let me share this tab instead. And where's it gone? It's in here somewhere. Yeah, so let me show that on the. Let me switch these around. Let's take the agenda off for a minute. And take that off. Like that. That's it. So you've got the magic link. Let's show this one. So I'm sorry, that's the one. Right, so yeah, so it's this one here, list building and magic link, right in the center. Okay, that'll get you started. You can then get TD pages, which you'll have, and then you just got the list building software as well, the list building program. So yeah, you won't get all of those because you don't have to go get those all straight away. But yeah, basically you're on this one here. You're going to get your mega link, and then you go in access a product for the list building and the magic link. Okay, that's what is really critical, and that will get you going. And yeah, pretty much guaranteed, you're going to get two things. You're going to get leads, which are harder to come by than you might think, and you're going to get commissions for sure. Okay, I ran it the other day, picked up $15 commissions, I think straight away, 35 emails. Yeah, it's a good system, so I thoroughly recommend it. Right, if you want to join me in this program, then obviously just comment join, and I can send you the links out. But hey, you can always just have a little DM with me, jump into my messages or comments, and let's have a chat that way. And we can always have a quick Zoom call as well, always open to having a little call with people, because I'm here to actually help you on your online journey. So I'm here to help you make money online, and that's, if I help enough people, then I shall have enough money as well. So I'm here to help you. Okay, so that's what's in it for me. That what's in it for you is you're going to learn how to make commissions and income online for sure. And this is without doubt one of the best ways to actually get started. Okay, I'll be back again tomorrow with another live stream. But until then, whatever you're doing, have an amazing day. And this was showing you how to create a newsletter using GetResponse, which is a CRM, a customer relationship management software autoresponder. Take care.